Hari Om. Have you ever wondered what is the magical formula for the transformation of an ordinary life into an extraordinary life? Transformation of a dull life into a life full of divine energy, enthusiasm, and eternal bliss. Let me answer the question quoting this famous conversation between Piglet and Winnie the Pooh. Piglet asks Pooh, "Pooh, what is more important, the journey or the destination?" And Pooh answers, "It's the company." Yes, that's the answer. What transforms our life is the company we have. The company of truth, company of a true guru, company of our true self, the pure divine soul, and company of fellow seekers and lovers of God. All of these summed up is known as satsang. Satsang literally transforms our life. It leaves no scope for pessimism, dullness, or anything ordinary. It makes life extraordinary, fulfilling, divine, and full of enthusiasm and eternal bliss. Imagine a path where every step you take is guided by the wisdom of a true guru, by the guidance of a true guru, surrounded by the beautiful company of lovers of God, immersed in love and constantly inspiring us to keep rising in love with the divine within. Imagine a life where ups and downs of life don't bother us and we remain rooted in spiritual knowledge, embraced by devotion, and engaged in selfless service. Imagine a life fulfillment. Imagine a life of oneness, a fulfilling life, a life of fulfillment, oneness, and bliss. Even while we are doing our worldly responsibilities and living in the world, but are not of the world. This is the transformational power of satsang. It is a sanctuary where life's purpose becomes clear and the journey is filled with bliss and serenity that each one of us yearns for. Today's bhajan is a beautiful bhajan that narrates why every human, every traveler of this life needs satsang and how satsang changes and transforms our lives. हर एक राही को सत्संग की ज़रूरत है, वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ये बदलती है. Every traveler, every human needs the company of truth, company of the divine, company of God who appears in the form of a true guru and gives us the truth of who am I, gives us the profound spiritual knowledge and makes us meet the divine within. By simply internalizing satsang, teachings of a true guru, and investing time in spiritual companionship of lovers of God, our life transforms. Only by consistently attending satsang sessions, engaging with a true guru, and adhering to their teachings, our life transforms and changes for better. It changes beyond imagination. जो हमको करना है वो आज ही तू कर ले, क्यों कल पे रखता है, कल किसने देखी है, हर एक पल खुद को सावधान रखना है, वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ही बदलती है. A true guru says, now that we know what is the mantra of living an extraordinary and purpose-driven life, whoever you need to do, whatever you need to do, whoever you need to take along, in order to implement this knowledge, do it today, now and here. Why postpone this for tomorrow? Who knows what tomorrow holds for us? Stay aware and alert in every moment. Understand the crucial importance of living in the present moment and taking action now and here. Procrastination and futile worry of uncertain future are not even worth a conversation. One must remain vigilant and conscious at every moment, as adherence to the teachings brings about a significant transformation in life. By simply believing in these words and internalizing them has the power to transform our life. जिस आनंद के लिए हर कोई भटकता है, अपने उस आनंद का सतगुरु से पता मिलता. सतगुरु की महिमा को कोई गा नहीं सकता, वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ही बदलती है. The true joy, the eternal bliss that each one seeks is found in the company of the Guru. No one can fully describe the Guru's greatness. No one can even attempt to sing the glories of a true Guru, as they are infinite and endless. The glory and magnificence of the true Guru are beyond description. Recognizing and following the Guru's teachings brings about a deep change in life. इस सच को पाने से नई जिंदगी मिलती है, जीने और मरने से मुक्ति ही मिलती है. अपने इस मकसद को इस जीवन में पाना है. वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ही बदलती है. By realizing this truth, one finds a new life. By attaining the truth, one gets a new life. It means one is liberated from the cycle of birth and death and attains oneness with God, the ultimate goal of this human life. To attain this goal in this lifetime is the purpose of each one who is blessed with a human birth. Let us be super grateful for the grace of God, the grace that gave us satsang, that gave us company of God Himself in the form of a true Guru, in the form of truth, that gave us self-realization and the loving company of a true Guru as well as the lovers of God, our Kalyan Mitras at every step of the way. Let us be grateful for the grace of God. Let's bask in this beautiful journey of life with God, for God, through God and towards God. Let us make the most of this journey because everyone needs satsang. And if we are immersed in satsang every day, either by listening, internalizing, reflecting, or investing time with someone, all of these are tools towards achieving the purpose of life, which is to attain oneness with God. हर एक राही को सत्संग की ज़रूरत है. हर एक राही को सत्संग की ज़रूरत है. हर एक राही को सत्संग की ज़रूरत है. वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ही बदलती है. हर एक राही को सत्संग की ज़रूरत है. जो तुमको करना है वो आज ही तू कर ले. क्यों कल पे रखता है, कल किसने देखी है. हर एक पल खुद को सावधान रहना है. वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ही बदलती है. हर एक राही को सत्संग की ज़रूरत है. जिस आनंद के लिए हर कोई भटकता है, अपने उस आनंद का सतगुरु से पता मिलता.
वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ही बदलती है। हर एक राही को इस सच को पाने से नई जिंदगी मिलती है। जीने और मरने से मुक्ति मिलती है। अपने इस मकसद को इस जीवन में पाना है। वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ही बदलती है। हर एक राही को सत्संग की जरूरत है। वचनों को मानते ही जीवन ही बदलती है। हर एक राही को सत्संग की जरूरत है। हर एक राही को सत्संग की जरूरत है। हर एक राही को सत्संग की जरूरत